What's going on, y'all? This is old Buck Carolina Crazy Outdoors. Before we get into the video, I want to thank every one of y'all who tune in. I really hope y'all enjoy the videos I put out, and now I want to thank my sponsors. JC's Outdoors, all your hunting and fishing needs. Live bait, guns, archery and apparel, serving breakfast and lunch. Flight Deck Restaurant, voted best family restaurant in Lexington. Great food, homemade desserts with a perfect blend of Southern and Greek flavor. Huge arcade to entertain the kids. Priceless Country Store, all your feed and seed needs, from dogs to horses and many animals in between. Fence supplies, livestock, accessories, and gardening. Twin City Concrete, for all your concrete needs. They pour driveways, slabs for porches, and shops and sidewalks. Car Craps Tire, all things tires, passenger, commercial, and farm machinery. They also do brakes and oil changes. Warren's Landscaping Services, everyday lawn care and maintenance, lighting, irrigation systems, and water features. Proudly serving Lexington and Gilbert for over 24 years. Tommy Corley Trapping, offers coyote trapping lessons. If you have a coyote problem, he can fix it. Sticks Baits, soft bait fishing lures, homemade molds made for bass fishing. Water Days, comfortable apparel for your day on the water. Proceeds provide swimming lessons and boater safety courses to minimize water tragedy. Anything you buy at Water Days, you'll get a 15% off if you use my code CAROCRAZY15. What's going on, y'all? This is old Buck. We're down here at Community Hunting Club today. Well, we're at my cabin, but we were at Community earlier. We're hunting with them. We'll be back over there, you know, on the afternoon hunt. We're frying fish and alligator. But anyway, we're waiting on Tommy now. Tommy Corley is going to turn out over here on our place. So, got my little buddy here. You ready? Who you sitting with this morning?
Grandpa.
Grandpa? My little baby, she's sitting with me.
Yeah.
We'll get a big one, ain't we?
I hope.
Hope? We're going to try.
I will get a big old buck.
Big old buck?
Big old buck. That's what we after, ain't it?
That's it.
Yeah.
Dad's gonna be down in the woods with Sawyer, and he had deer all over him last time. He's gonna have to make a shot today. So
Yeah.
It might be out today.
huh?
It might be out.
We hope they're out. If they ain't, the dogs will make them out, right? Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go.
All right, baby, you ready?
Yeah. When we get to the place we're going to, I'm gonna try to be as quiet as possible and make me something.
What? How in the world are you gonna be quiet and make something?
It's gonna be hard.
What are you gonna make?
I don't know.
We'll give it a go.
All right, y'all. We down here in the woods with Sawyer, and Lila's with Tim. And me and Sawyer's gonna get us a big old buck in a minute. We hope. Dogs ain't turned out yet. It's kind of early. You ready to get them, Sawyer? Huh? We gonna get them? What we gonna kill? A buck? A big one? You sure? How many points? How wide is it gonna be? A monster?
I want it to be a 8-point.
A 8-point? All right then. Well, we gonna get ready. And we're going to sit out here a minute and be real quiet. You never know. One of us comes cruising through just walking. But they ain't turned the dogs out yet, but we're going to get them. All right. Bye, y'all.
It just turned out. There's a pack running right in there. And a dog behind me. Lila's over there building something right here. You sure Daddy just shot? Dad just shot, I think.
this side. We got deer. We got dogs running all over us, don't we?
Yeah.
Got a pack over here, a pack behind us, pack that way. Never disappoints it when I'm down here at the cabin, I swear. They run all around my cabin. Pretty sure my dad just shot it. I think the dog stopped, which is a good sign. But we're gonna be quiet because they get loud back in here, right here behind us again. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
The dogs is that way. You stand back up just a little bit and right there, hold there. They start going that way, you're gonna come on this other side. No matter what, you're not gonna be in between me and the dogs at any point. You know what I'm saying? You always gotta think of that. Usually when somebody I could be wrong, but you heard that one single shot. Usually when you hear one single shot like that, and if it's daddy, that deer's dead.
It should be.
But usually when you hear somebody go, pow, 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 pow,
that's mainly not going to be.
that's somebody just excited. Da, 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 da. And people that shoot real slow, like pow, pow. Somebody's taking their time.
Mm-hmm.
All right, they jumped now. I hear some dogs running.
Those? Are them those?
Yeah.
See the doe yell? What time was it? 8?
Listen. All right, they jumped now. I hear some dogs running.
Those? Are them those?
Yeah.
See the doe yell? What time was it? 8?
Listen. There you go. There goes one dog.
He's a pretty one.
Yeah. There goes another dog. See him going here?
He's going that way.
Yeah.
He's looking for our buck.
He's looking for your buck.
He's looking for the 8 point.
I know
He didn't make. He said, "What the hell? Where's the 8 point?" I don't see where.
All right, here he comes. Be watching.
What? The buck?
Yeah. He's looking at coming behind us.
Wait, what the heck?
All right, be watching.
What the heck, man? I hear one. I hear a buck.
Be real still. Be real still.
Wow, great buck.
Be still. There you come.
What? How are we going to get over there?
I got him. I got him, baby. You see that?
Hey, he's moving.
Hey.
He's moving.
Oh, be still. He's moving, ain't he? You see him? Look here, there goes another one. Where'd he go?
He could went that way.
Huh?
He could went that way.
All right, be still.
When he shot him,
Hell yeah.
he went crashing to the ground.
He crashed, didn't he, boy?
Yeah, he went put his face on the ground.
All right, here comes the dogs. You hear them?
Yeah. That sounds like Lily. I didn't hear the buck.
Watch it. Come on, let's go over that way. Come on. Come on. Don't mess with them. Come on. Let's see what we got. All right, jump.
You need somebody to help? Hey, there's more dogs.
Huh?
More dogs. Right over
Yeah.
One's coming in.
All right, come in. Come right through here. Look, Lee in there.
But he really crashed into the ground, though.
Here they come again. Hold on.
What? Another buck?
Might be.
Might get another buck.
Come here, boy.
We might
Give me a high five, boy.
Oh,
We got that old monster buck, didn't we?
look at this tail.
Hmm?
Who are you calling?
I'm gonna call you daddy.
Cause we need to get way down here.
Huh?
Cause we killed this buck.
Yeah.
This thing is pretty heavy.
He's heavy.
Yeah. Yeah, we gotta drag him right into the water.
You think he's big?
If he did shoot, Sawyer would be really happy.
Oh, that's Dad.
Hello. Hello. Hello? No, I didn't see nothing. Was that you shooting?
Hey.
Yeah.
I got a monster.
Do you really?
A 10 or 12 point.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I ain't got close to him yet.
He's dead?
About 10 foot, but he ain't close to it.
All right, Daddy. I hope he's a real monster now.
Oh, he is.
How Sawyer's doing.
What's Sawyer saying?
Oh, he's out of fit.
I told Lila, I said, I'm pretty sure that was you shooting. If you shot one time, he's probably dead.
Mm-hmm.
Well, good, good. They come right by us. I heard the deer running, but couldn't see it. All right, by the way. Now, we both know how Grandpa is. That monster might be like that. Hey, at least he got one. That's all that
Yeah.
matters.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. A 10 point.
10 point?
Yep, listen, here comes some dogs. Listen.
I can hold him.
Here, come back here behind me. Come right here. Come right here, listen. Right here, there.
There might be another buck coming, Grandpa.
I know.
Hey, look. How so?
Be looking.
Look at what Daniel Wallace.
What you think about that, Sawyer?
Mm-hmm.
Look here. Is it a big one?
Mm-hmm.
That's a monster, ain't it? Hold his head up. The dogs are still running. Let me see. How many points? Count them.
1,
Hmm?
2, 3.
It's a 10 point, ain't it?
Mm-hmm. It might be an 8 point.
Yeah. All right.
But where's Daddy Lila?
Here's a deer, here's a deer. Dang. I don't think I hit the deer.
Yeah, I think you hit a limb.
You think I hit a limb?
It fell. Big one.
You saw a limb fall?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
As soon as you shot it, boom, down it went.
Y'all just keep going. I know I missed. You saw a limb fall. Where?
Right there.
We'll have to walk over here in a minute. We'll go look for blood just a second.
Okay.
They kept going, so we're gonna go real quick right here where the deer was at and see if I can find any blood. But the dogs are still going. But I just wanna know.
I thought I glanced a deer.
All right, y'all. She said she saw a limb fall. Here's why. Well, these dang trees just have a way of getting out in front of me, and I don't understand why.
That's what you did with the turkey last turkey season. You shot a tree.
Well, baby, I don't feel so bad because if you look at the trees, you're bound to hit one. You know what I mean? Right.
Yeah.
You know, buckshot tore that tree up there. Look at that. Look at that, all around that thing. That's a load there.
I guess it vibrated and then the oil came out. It was already.
Hey, there they come again. Let's get ready. Come here. Anyway, I hit a tree.
Hell yeah, I'm gonna tell you right now, that's exciting. I love my still hunting, baby. Come here, come here. Come right here with me. We love our still hunting, don't we?
Yeah.
But there ain't nothing more exciting than them dang dogs running deer. We didn't even see that. I mean, that's the same deer I just shot and missed when I hit the tree that jumped out in front of me. Same deer, went out there, probably 200 or 300 yards, come right back. And it was just a little bit, probably about 15 yards past where I seen it the first time. Just couldn't see it. But it crossed right here. It probably wasn't 40, 50 yards in there, but I couldn't see on that swamp. I heard the deer running, but I just couldn't see it. But God dog it. Boy, that's exciting.
Did you hear the puppy hurt us? Oh, hey,
God
pup.
almighty, I thought that was a deer.
It looks like a mini one.
That's a big old dog there. He's doing his job.
But
But
a
look,
dog.
what I was saying, I love my still hunting. I do. I love it. But you are not going to get that excited right there. You not even see the deer, and I'm freaking trembling. Oh, man. You love this, don't you, baby?
Mm-hmm.
We might turn you loose with the shotgun next year when you get comfortable. And you know, the thing is, she ain't got a gun now. And she's not comfortable yet, and I'm glad she told me that. But she's soaking all this in. You know, as far as, you know, just trying to be safe and all that, well, being safe. But I'm gonna tell you, I just couldn't beat this morning. It's been, if I don't even see a deer, this hunt's been awesome.
I shoot like the bow and arrows.
If you hit the deer running in here with a bow and arrow, you are special. All right.
I mean, I got the bullseye twice and the hay bell.
True, but that hay bell wasn't moving.
Yeah, it's not moving.
All right, let's quiet down a little bit and
I'm gonna go sit back on that tree. It's big.
that's fine.
All right, can we get behind me? Come right here. Come right here. All right, be looking. Boy, they tearing him up, ain't they, Sawyer?
Mm-hmm. Boy, they eating him
Listen,
up.
listen.
Grandpa,
They
they
come.
eating that deer up.
Yeah, listen.
I hear like Willie. It looks like Willie barking, but I think
Yeah.
we didn't bring her. Hey,
Listen.
hey, there's a dog.
I seen.
Hey, look at the white one. There's a pretty white
Yeah.
one. He's going up the hill.
He done went up the hill.
But I still see him, but now I don't. White puppy! He done went up the hill.
Yep, they done gone. He got by us.
Hey, the white one's coming closer to us. Hey, white one! Puppy! Puppy! Look!
Yeah.
Mhm. That's a big old one. Look. Going in the water.
He might come back.
What?
Do this.
A deer?
Yeah.
That might be
They're
a
running him
fight.
up down the hill toward the cabin.
What?
Hey, buddy. I'm listening.
What you got?
A ball fight with a lot of horns on him.
A lot of horns on him. Is he a big one? I got you. Did you see Grandpa shoot him? Good deal. Good deal.
Well, we need y'all to come down here.
We're gonna come down there. We gotta wait a little bit and let this drive get over with, and we'll come down in there.
He cut a flip.
He cut a flip. Good.
And the
His head went down to the ground? I got you. All right, well, look, y'all quiet down, and we're going to see if they'll run us another one.
Okay.
All right, love you, buddy.
Love you. He's nervous.
I think he hung up. Yep.
He was talking
All right,
so
y'all.
shaky.
I know.
We got a job out here.
We got a job.
Yeah. Getting him out from down in yonder.
Uh-huh.
He's all the way down.
What? You got one?
Mm-hmm.
Is he a big one?
Mm-hmm.
What? Were you excited?
We had to shot him 3 times but he was 3.
We on here.
But he was moving.
Oh, well, you got to do what you got to do. All right, we're going to ease on down in there. All right, buddy.
Where he's at.
Go where that deer's at.
Don't fall now, be careful.
You gonna cut a foot if I can see it now. Uh-huh. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Lord mercy. Oh yeah. It's a pretty one there.
Here he is, Lila.
Well, anywhere you got boots on, you can sit right through there. It's always been crossed.
Pretty 10-point. Think about that, boy. Think about that, young lady.
Big, that's all. It's big, ain't it?
Big old body deer.
But everybody needs help. That thing is
You ain't gonna pull him out?
No.
All right, here, you grab him a little bit and I grab him a little bit. Here, Rebecca. Take this.
Ready, Lila? His feet are
All right.
ready to pull? Yeah.
All right, y'all pull him. See how far y'all can get him. Oh yeah, y'all got this.
Oh, y'all got it. Go right.
Yeah, y'all got it. Y'all be there. Y'all by the afternoon. Y'all have me the truck.
Wow, that's so heavy. This thing right here.
All right.
Hold him up.
That thing's gonna rack perfect, ain't it?
It is pretty.
It ain't that humongous.
But he just
It looked like it was that big.
feel how squishy
When he was
it
coming
is
through
right
there?
here.
Lift his head up.
Right there's where he crashed in. He Grandpa pancaked him, didn't he?
Hmm.
Oh yeah.
Good
right?
deal.
He was rolling down.
Rolling.
Where y'all think?
Good
Either
deal.
I need to take a picture.
I was standing right over there.
Hey, you're right
I
there
was
at you.
way up yonder. And I said, that deer's gonna run the other side of that creek and I know it. And I tore out down there and was standing right there in the wide open.
Mama,
Me and
come on, we need
Never knew you were there,
No.
man. Good deal.
officially.
Got to hold his leg up, Bubba.
All right, you got it?
This is a struggle here, ain't it?
Yeah.
There you
It's
go.
over with now, though.
Done.
Doing.
There we
Legal.
go. We can drag him on out now.
Drag him all the way up.
All right, y'all. We finally got done cleaning Dad's deer. Back over here at Community Hunting Club. Me and Dad just got done frying crappies and alligators, french fries, and hush puppies. Check it out. What's up? What's up? Bunch of coons. What's up, buddy? What's up? Let me squeeze by you, brother. Good feelings there. I burnt the hush puppies. Probably his own.
I ain't figured out how to cook them there frozen ones anyway, but
Both?
Huh?
I don't know how they cook them either because I burn them.
me too.
Over here's the corner where it's all happening. Dad, 10-point killer. Got crappies going, alligators, more crappies. The last thing of crappies right there.
Feeding about 30 people.
Yep,
Lots of work. But we all having fun.
that's it.
All right, Lila. Here we are.
Yep.
Me and Sawyer got one this morning, a 10-point, about 180 pounds. We went back to the cabin and fried fish for the members, and we're on another stand. It's beautiful in here. Look out through yonder. I mean, it is real pretty. Like a bottom in here. We're seeing a lot of deer tracks and trails. You think we're gonna get one, Lila?
Yes.
I hope so, ain't it? One like this morning or bigger?
I want it to be more than 10 at least, but it's okay if it's below. As long as we got a buck, we're good.
Show them what we found.
Deer bone.
A deer leg, a deer bone. She wants to carry that home. She loves hunting, her and her brother. Now we down here, we ain't turned the dogs loose yet, but we fixing to get settled in. I got everything ready, and we gonna hammer them, hopefully. All right, stay tuned. Uh-oh. Shot 5 times, didn't you, Lila? Huh?
Daddy said mostly if they shoot a whole bunch of times and not taking their time, they're more likely not going to get it.
Missing, ain't they? You hear Grandpa shoot? How many times he shoot?
1.
I hammered him, didn't
Yeah, it's a rock. So Grandpa decided to take a nap. So I'm having to look for deer right now. There ain't nothing really close right now, so I'll wake them up when I hear closer things.
Lila's done passed out. She's asleep. She's over there counting sheep. She said she was tired. I can tell you what, I think I'm fixing to take me a nap too. Ain't no dog running. Everything's cool and calm. It's real cool in here. So I think I'm gonna turn this camera right around and let you watch me go to sleep. Be still. Holy cow. That deer running right on top of us. I missed him with the first shot. He got in the cotton and I couldn't hardly see him.
I could hardly see the buck.
But on the 5th shot I got him, thank goodness. Man, the deer run out. I saw him probably 70 yards there. I told him to be quiet. I said, be still, there he comes.
Oh, he's coming.
He's trying to slip out the drive.
Oh, he's coming. He's running.
Man, wasn't that exciting?
I didn't know. Hey, puppy.
Oh, you didn't hear me tell y'all to shh.
No, I'm trying to get him to lay down.
Oh,
He's trying to take a nap.
Sawyer was trying to take a nap. He ain't quiet now. Hey, buddies.
Oh, she's wet.
He's wet.
She looks like Lily. Hey, Mom, she's trying to eat our blanket.
Deer. Sounds like a finish. Get right on that deer.
Did you see him, Daddy? Daddy, please send a bunch of dogs. Hey, here. Here comes two.
Come on, y'all, get in on. Get him. He come right there on it. She was like 10 yards. I couldn't see him there. Oh, they about to have the army on him now. There's a buck.
Mama, we got one, two.
I think I hit the deer.
See that one single dog was running that deer, and I heard the deer. I could them dogs went in there and intercepted the deer. I don't know.
Daddy, I just heard the feet like running, but that was a dog running.
Yeah.
But that was like a buck.
There's a buck. All right, boy. Where's that deer at? Come here. Come here.
I don't know.
Let's walk out here and look. Come this way. Got a feeling he's gonna be this way.
Must be laying down.
Well, I hope. Yeah, I'm sure he's laying down.
I saw he ain't
Right yonder he is. Right yonder. To your left. Come this way.
Where is he?
Right there.
That's him.
Yep.
That's the buck.
How's the buck?
Look at his mouth open.
Hey, Bo, I tell you what. You know what? Look at me. You've been good luck today. Grandpa killed 10 point, and I killed 2. Look like a cow horn and a 4 point. That's what it's all about. You like that? Well, let's get some tags on these deer, all right? We go get the other one, okay?
Mom.
Y'all, this is what it's all about. You know, being the cameraman, I got my wife, she's pulling the deer out for me, and I'm gonna tell you right now, baby, that right there is what it's all about.
I'm looking at the
All right, she wanted to drag because she didn't want to mess up the man's cotton, and that's true. We don't want to knock his cotton down, but she went about 30 yards. I guess I'm gonna go and finish it up for her. Well, look at here. Lord have mercy, baby, she's showing out.
You're good at that, dear Mama.
She's good at it, ain't she? That's right. Do it, baby.
I fall down. Either I got a foot in my hand.
You fell down.
Yeah.
All right, here's the other one. That's a 3 point there. What you think, Bubba? You like that? Let's look at it. Hold him up for me. Me get in there and pick his horns up. Now, I know he ain't as big as Grandpa's, but that deer's gonna eat good, ain't he? Like that? You ready to come back dog hunting? Yeah, that's good. Oh, here's the deal. This deer here, I knew I was pretty confident I hit the deer. Yes, I was confident.
I think I shot behind it.
Smack talk. I did make the comment I thought I shot behind it, but originally I thought I hit the deer. But anyway, deer went out there, and I told her, I told Rebecca, I'm like, the dogs don't sound like they're going farther, so ease down here, and sure enough, he was out there about 50 yards. That's why you always look and see if you made the shot, because we're gonna walk out there anyway. But he was out there dead, so we got him. There's a pack of dogs coming toward us now, but I ain't even picking my gun up. I'm done. I ain't shooting nothing. He can be a 10 point. I don't care. I ain't picking up the gun again. So it's been an awesome day deer hunting. Dad killed a 10 point. I killed these 2 here. Just couldn't be no more excited right now, and to have them with just makes it that much better. Ain't it right, baby? And you even drugged that deer out a while ago. That's what it's all about. But we're gonna put these right here on them.
The green one.
The green one, that's right.
Or the pink one.
No, the pink one's that's a doe. Gotta put the green ones on them. But anyway, we're gonna tag this one, load him up with that one right there. We calling it a day. And we'll be back over there at the club soon and see what everybody else got. I heard some more shots. So anyway, stand by. Another one of these bucks. It's a good evening. Oh yeah. Y'all did good, doggies. Y'all did good. Y'all are burnt out. All right, y'all. We back at the house now. That's a wrap on the day. Couldn't have been any better of a day. Daddy killed about 180 pound 10 point at the cabin. That's probably one of the first big bucks we've ever killed in there on our property. Couldn't have been no better. I missed one in there this morning as well. I shot a tree instead, but I wound up killing 2, a cow horn and a 3 point on the second drive. My little boy, Sawyer, was the good luck charm today. He was with Dad when he killed the 10 point, and he was with me and Rebecca when I killed those 2 other bucks. So anyway, thank Community Hunting Club letting us come down there and enjoy hunting with them. It was just a great relationship we got with those guys, girls, that club. We cook down there. We have a good time. And I can't wait to get back down there. But anyway, hope y'all enjoy this video. If you ain't already, subscribe if you like what I'm putting out. Share it, comment. I love commenting. I love reading everything you say. I acknowledge them all. And anyway, y'all have a good one. We'll see you next time.